welcome back to Amada Queen's channel. Thanks so much for coming back to see your girl per usual. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications so that way you don't miss anything. And thank you all so much for all of the love and all of the support. But let's go ahead and get into this video. I am just super excited to share with you all a new brand that I've recently tried, which is Temu. I had $60 to spend with them, and I'm just super excited to show you all what I ordered with that $60. And y'all gonna be like, what? You got that, and that? Yes. So it's gonna be a really cool video. It's gonna be super quick. I'm just gonna unpackage the items that I ordered. I'll try on a few things for you all, and that will be that. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Alright, y'all, so all of the items came in these Temu bags that are pretty large, which is nice as far as you can like reuse them for like other things, and they're like a pretty nice type of Ziploc bag as well. But let me go ahead and show you my first item, which is a cute little dress that I ordered. I don't have too many outfits or clothes in this color, so you know me, I'm always trying to try to branch out and get different colors and different items just to show the variety of it. But yeah, this is just like a really cute dress. It feels really nice, it's really comfortable, it has a cute little cutout, and yeah, I'm just hoping the fit looks really good. I believe I ordered in the size large, and it looks like that it'll fit nice. So this is the first dress that I ordered. And then second item, oh, I totally forgot, I ordered these eyelashes from Temu as well, and I'll insert like a little clip so that way you can see what it looks like before I install them, but I'll show you close up. And yeah, I just thought that these were really cute, little butterflies on them. Like, yes, it's just giving me life. And yeah, they're just really cute and very easy to install and put on. So yeah, I definitely recommend them. And then I also ordered, I don't know, I've been like on my like little butterfly tip lately. I don't know why, but I also ordered this cute butterfly clip. And I don't know, I just thought it would be something cute, something that I could put with like some accessories, and I actually might put it in when I try on some clothes, we'll see. But yeah, just like a cute little accessory that you can't go wrong with. All right, next, I can't remember exactly what this is. Oh, okay, never mind. So this is like a little dress that I ordered. So I have to admit, I have a similar style dress in 2 other colors, but it's because I love it so much. So when I saw this on Temu, I was like, oh, I would love to have this in black. So I went ahead and ordered it. So this is it. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but you should get more of an idea of when I put it on. But it's basically just like a little spaghetti top, kind of form-fitting black little summer dress that you can throw on when it's like warmer weather. And then this is the last dress that I ordered from Temu, and this, I really don't have this color in my closet at all, so this is the only color available in my size, so I figured why not. I think it's still a really cute color, it's just I just don't have it that much in my closet. And yeah, it's pretty cute. It does look a little bit different from the photos, but I'm hoping that it's still going to be really cute. There's no straps attached, but they sent it in this bag, so I'm gonna have to attach it. Y'all know how I feel about clothes that I have to put extra time in, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, and hopefully it looks really cute on. But here is that last dress. All right, and then my last couple of items that I ordered from Temu was just some cute little bags, because you know a girl can never have too many bags. So I ordered this little tote, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, so it says I don't smoke. I just thought it was just a really cute bag. You don't really usually you see the opposite wording, so I just thought that it was just a really cute little bag, so I definitely wanted to get it. And you know, it's just something you can wear like to the beach or just going out to the farmers market, stuff like that. But yeah, here's that cute little tote bag. All right, and then this last item that I ordered This is one of my favorite prints and one of the most recognized prints ever. And I saw this bag and I was like, okay, I have to get it. So it's just this cute little paisley white bag. I just thought it'd be really cute, and I have a top that would match perfectly with this, and this would go really cute with the black dress that I ordered too. So that was all of the unpackaging. Let's go ahead and try on these looks. All right, y'all, so here is the first look. This dress is really cute. Like I said, the material is really soft and it's really comfortable on. Only thing I would say is that the fit is slightly off, but that's because this is my first time trying the brand, so I wasn't too sure about the sizing. So I definitely would size down next time. This is a size large. A size medium would have fit perfectly. How the top is, I really don't see you being able to wear like a strapless bra or anything like that. So most likely you'll probably have to do like the little lift up bras, things like that. So that's up to you if you're comfortable doing that. But other than that, it's a really cute dress. I think it's perfect for when it like starts to warm up. And you want to be, you know, go out for drinks with your girlfriends and things like that. But overall, yeah, this is a really cute dress. I would just size down next time. All right, y'all, so here is that second long black dress that I was telling you all about that I secretly have in 2 other colors. It's just a really comfortable, really cute dress. I do wish I did size down for this dress and the last dress that I tried on, but the fit still looks really good though. It's really nice, and it might shrink a little bit once I wash it. But yeah, I'm really loving the material. Is really soft. It is form-fitting, but it's not super form-fitting. If I would have sized down, I'm sure it would have fit a little bit tighter. Also went ahead and put on the butterfly clip, so I'll turn it on so that way you can see that. And yeah, it's a really cute and a really nice clip for your hair. And also here is the back of the dress. So it's just like a normal basic back, and yeah, not too much to say. It's just like a really easy casual black dress. If you're okay with the looser fitting fit, I would say normal size should be okay. If you want a more form-fitting fit, then definitely size down. But yeah, and then this is a size large. And then here's that dress with that cute little bag that I ordered. Actually goes pretty nicely with it. But yeah, just like something like really cute. Like this is just perfect for when it's like warm outside and you just want to take a little walk or go do a little bit of shopping or hang out with your little girlfriend. Here's this little fit. Alright, y'all, here is the final dress, and it's way cuter than I thought. I'm really loving the color on my skin tone. When I said before it didn't really look exactly like the photo, I was just saying like in the photo it looks like really sparkly, but like when I see it in person it's not as sparkly. I do have a feeling though, like if you take a picture with the flash on, that it'll probably look a little bit more sparkly, but it's still a really cute little dress. Yeah, it's still like a really cute dress that you can wear. This is really cute for like going to the bar with your girlfriends, just something like really simple to just throw on. The straps weren't that big of a deal. All I had to do was just clip them in on both sides of the dress. It was like really easy. It took me like 1 minute. So no worries there, but overall it's just like a really cute little dress that you could just throw on. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. And then this is what it looks like from the back. So yeah, it's pretty cute. It will ride up a little bit if you're like walking quite a lot, so just be mindful of that. But other than that, the fit was pretty decent. I probably would want to go down a size, but you don't have to if you don't want to. But here is that final dress. Alright, queens and royal court, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed all the little things that I ordered from Temu. I was really happy with my purchases. I think all of that for $60, you can't beat that, especially if you're on a budget, especially if you have a few events coming up and you don't want to spend too much, or if you just want to kind of like refresh your closet. I know there's a lot of items on there, so I'm pretty sure it can get really overwhelming. But you know, that's why I'm here, to help you all as much as I can. Feel free to, you know, ask me about anything on there that you see, like, this looks really cute, but do you think it'll look, you know, cute in person? Feel free to leave me a comment, and I will be happy to go ahead and check it out for you. Don't forget to use my discount code in the description box below, so that way you can get some money off. You're welcome. And again, thank you all so much for all of the love and support. I will see you all in the next video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I will see you all next time.